to create a Gmail account without phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create a Gmail account without phone number. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Chrome browser, and after that just simply click on your profile section from the Gmail account that you have already logged in, and from there just simply click on sign out, and now just simply click on continue from this window. And now just go to the Gmail section from the top right, and from there just simply click on use another account and click on create account. And now you have to select whether you want to create it personal or for your business or anything like that. Just simply click on that, and now just simply enter your name, your last name, that is optional, and click on next, and just fill in the details like your date of birth, select your gender, click on next, and now just simply choose the username for yourself and click on next. If this username is available, the Google will allow you to make that one. And now you have to create a password for yourself and click on next. And now just simply click on next. You can add a recovery email if you want to, or you can skip that part and just see your profile that you are creating and click on next. And now you have to agree to the terms and condition of Google in order to create your email account successfully. And now as you can see that I have created my Gmail account without any phone number, without any hassle. So this is basically how you will be able to create a Gmail account without phone number. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.